Assalamualaikum, my dear student. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEVS home school. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to take BGS class for the student of class 4 and our today's topic is matching. Again I am repeating, our today's topic is matching and lecture number 18. Today's topic is matching and lecture number 18. So student, let's start our today's topic. Matching 1. Column A, column B. Column A. The Manipuri, the dress of Chakma women. Each year the Shautal, one favorite food of the Marma man or the Manipuri from. And column B. Celebrate 5 festivals. Is Nappi, It Shincheda, Pinon Hadi, 2 language groups, Thami. Dear student, now we will match column A and column B. The A plus 3. A. The Manipuri eat Shincheda. The Manipuri eat Shincheda. B plus 4. The dress of Chakma women, Pinon Hadi. The dress of Chakma women, Pinon Hadi. C plus 1. C. Each year the Shautal celebrate 5 festivals. Each year the Shautal celebrate 5 festivals. D plus 2. One favorite food of the Marma is Nappi. One favorite food of the Marma is Nappi. E plus 6. Marma men or Thami. Marma man or Thami. F plus 5. The Manipuri from 2 language groups. The Manipuri from 2 language groups. Matching number 2. Column A, column B. Column A. Gas, water, wind, electricity, breeze, airlines. Column B. Engineer, pilot, CNG scooter, washing clothes, sailing boats, radio. Now we will match column A and column B. A plus 3. Gas, CNG scooter. B plus 4. Water, washing clothes. C plus 5. Wind, sailing boats. D plus 6. Electricity, radio. E plus 1. Breeze, engineer. F plus 2. Airlines, pilot. Again I am say gas, CNG scooter, water, washing clothes, wind, sailing boats, electricity, radio, breeze, engineer, airlines, pilot. Matching number 3. Column A and column B. Column A. Sundarbans, Coxbazar, Kuakata, Bandarban, Rangamati, Jaflong. Column B. Migratory birds, mangrove swamps, long sandy beach, Kashi, Buddhist temples, hanging bridge. Now we will match column A and column B. A plus 3. Sundarban, A plus 3. Student, A plus 2. Sundarban mangrove swamps. Sundarban mangrove swamps. Coxbazar, B plus 3. Coxbazar long sandy beach. C number. C plus 1. Kuakata migratory birds. D plus 5. Bandarban Buddhist temples. Bandarban Buddhist temples. E plus 6. Rangamati hanging bridge. Rangamati hanging bridge. F plus 4. Jaflong Kashi. Again I am say Sundarbans mangrove swamps, Coxbazar long sandy beach, Kuakata migratory birds, Bandarban Buddhist temples, Rangamati hanging bridge, Jaflong Kashi. So dear student, I hope all you have understood today's topic and you have no homework and do practice at home. Stay safely. See you again inshallah.